Hello again, Jared, the janitor with Jani-Serv Incorporated, Salt Lake City. All right, so what's the difference between one janitor to another, right? It's not a joke. You know, some people come in and be like, oh, I know how to clean. I clean my house. And they'll say, you know, hire me. I know how to clean my house. Okay, great. All right. Maybe I'll go to their house and check out how clean their house is. But generally what I'll do is we'll take the employees in, we'll figure out what's their experience level, and we'll take them through, like I showed you on some other videos, what do they understand on certain machines, and then the processes and the procedures. So for us, obviously, we need to make sure that when putting a staff member into your building, they know what to do and how to do it and how to troubleshoot on their own. They can obviously contact us, but we make sure that they're properly trained. Okay, so I want to, on this video, kind of go through some of the training that we teach and offer to the staff so that they know what they're doing in every situation, right? So we have employees and then contractors. These contractors are specifically trained in certain types of cleaning, floor care and industrial cleaning and different processes, okay? But we need to make sure that they understand the benchmark in which we have a standard for and that you as a customer have a standard for, so that it's a seamless transition from you paying for our services and you getting what you pay for, okay? So some of the things that we use, obviously, these laminated sheets that kind of answer the basic questions just for a janitor, okay? To videos, okay? This is a system provided by Spartan. They are a chemical manufacturer, much like Brulin. Brulin did a wonderful job, and they display the chemicals that you use and where to use them. See the little blue in the urinal and the toilet and the showers, and then the red on disinfecting areas, okay? All of these are broken down by where and how. Spartan's done just as well of a job, but what they've done is they broke it down by industry, and then they take you through a course where you can watch a video in Spanish or English on how to, okay? What to wear, the process to clean. And then at the very end of every video, voila, there's a test. So each person that goes through this can get tested, and we make sure that they understand the process. And then once they're tested, they're certified. We get them to test until they understand and are trained properly how to work in the healthcare environment. Okay, and it breaks down each area from the patient rooms, isolation rooms, and all that. Okay, not just medical. Understand bloodborne pathogen. Understand carpet care and how to extract or how to bonnet a carpet.
1956.
It's kind of amazing how they take you through this process, the protective gear, the machinery, how to basically start in a room and end. You know, it's kind of pointless just to start cleaning and not knowing. If I start cleaning by the door and then I walk on top of the dirty or the wet flooring and I've got dirty shoes, I'm just gonna keep tracking in the dirt. So we start at the back and we work our way out. Just how to set up the cleaning and remove the stuff from the room, all that kind of stuff. These videos are wonderful training tools. And then once again, you can measure the success by testing the people on floor care, hotel cleaning and resorts, kitchens, long-term care, office cleaning, and restrooms. And you know, this isn't just a process that is based off of this chemical manufacturer. It's a wonderful offering that they give to contractors so that we can make sure our staff are fully trained in English and Spanish. But it's a baseline. So as we use Brulin or as we use the Spartan cleaning chemicals, it's interchangeable with what it is that your facility sets as a standard. We just adjust it to make sure that the chemicals are used properly and that the standards are measured and met, okay? And then all that does for you is make sure that you have the comfort and ease to know that the processes are taken care of. So this is something that our supervisors and managers and our staff use on a regular basis. And when onboarding and bringing on staff that are new with us, they go through this process, make sure that they watch the videos, they get certified, so that they understand what they're doing out there. So that's a little bit about our training, other than the hands-on classes that are industry like supply house, like Brady, I pointed out in another video. They'll give us hands-on classes. Not only, I've already told you that my father was in this industry, so I have been trained on a handful of equipment and have personally done hundreds and I wouldn't say thousands, but I've done thousands of projects, but hundreds and hundreds of different types of floor care and cleaning of buildings. And over the years, we've cleaned thousands of properties and stuff like that. And so that knowledge is then passed down, but this is how it's measured. And a standard, when we bring somebody on, they understand that process. So it's not just, go figure it out, here's some Windex and some Fabuloso. We use commercial grade, hospital grade cleaning chemicals that get rid of 99% of most bloodborne pathogens. We make sure that the processes are raised and the standards are raised to a medical level so that everybody benefits. And then the health of the facility and the health of the staff and patrons that come in are taken care of, so that you guys are offering a quality facility, and that you're protecting the investment that you put into your building, that the carpet care is done properly, so you're not having to turn over because it's been damaged from the lack of proper maintenance, possibly and most likely on the part of the contractor that you hired. So if there's a way we can restore it and bring it back, we'll take you through all of that and show you all the different processes that are in place, how we can restore every type of floor care you have. So any questions you may have about training or anything, feel free to call me, Jared, the janitor at Jani-Serv Inc., Salt Lake City, Utah, 801-500-4747. Thank you and have a good day.